Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals. The Ric Flair of crypto coming to you live. Woo! From Asia. It's getting pretty late here in Asia. It's getting close to 10 p.m. right now, and hopefully you guys in America are just waking up, still waking up. Get up, rise and shine. Good morning from Vietnam, guys, and we got a wonderful show. We're going to talk about we're seeing a lot of people, a lot of players, a lot of retail investors, and even institutions. Now we're seeing that there's huge adoption right now of Dogecoin. There's more interest. Everything's going uppity up, and we're seeing a lot of positiveness in the markets right now. We're also seeing we're also going to talk about one of the reasons that Bitcoin has gone down and the whole markets have gone down since Wednesday, and that's pretty simple. You see that there's now a correlation between the S&P 500. We're also going to talk about that the U.S. dollar is actually gaining strength, and when that happens, you often see Bitcoin going to dip, and also there's $120 billion worth of Treasury bills that the U.S. government has decided not to buy into. So this is also affecting the markets right now. But overall, we're seeing that the markets are starting to come back a little bit. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing his opinions for educational purposes only. So remember, do your own risk management. It's totally up to you, but I would advise that you do all your own risk management and do your own research, guys. Don't believe everything the YouTubers say. You guys have to, and gals, have to do your own research. Please. And don't just buy something because it's cheap, because you think you're going to make money. You got to do research. Investment it takes time. It takes hard work to be successful. And remember, in this YouTube channel, we're talking about investment. We're not talking about trading. I don't advise anybody new in this space to do any trading whatsoever, because you will get wrecked. You'll lose your money, because 90% of all people that trade or day trade, swing trade, lose money. So don't do it, guys. Remember, the secret to being a successful crypto investor is diamond hands, hodl, dollar cost average, and wait for life-changing wealth, guys. Millionaires are not made overnight. You just need to be patient. If you can't be patient, then you're in the wrong business. And remember, crypto is volatile. Things go up and down. And, if you can't stand the heat in the kitchen and 5% is going to give you a heart attack, then you guys better not be trading crypto. So with that being said, watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. And we also are going to be giving away 1 Ethereum once we hit 50,000 subscribers. And we're getting pretty close. We're around about 49,000 subscribers right now. We got about 1,000 subscribers to go. So if you want to be in it to win it, all you got to do is subscribe, smash that like, and you have a chance to win 1,000 Ethereum. One Ethereum. So if I said a 1,000 Ethereum, well, I need to El Correcto, because it's 1 Ethereum. So we just need 1,000 more subscribers, and we're gonna do it. And then on Saturday, we at 9 a.m. Bangkok time, we're giving away 1,000 Dogecoin to a super member. So if you want to be in it to win, you got to be a super member. So without further delay, just some more cautionary tales for my peeps in the house. Woo! Stop feeding the whales. I see a lot of wet Nancy's out there, blowing their load when they were sold Doge at like 15 cents and 12 cents, and now they're probably all crying and wet to bed. Guys, stop feeding the whales. Now we can see that the pre-markets right now, the Dow is down. The S&P just clicked up. It was been down in the red all day here in Asia. So it just clicked up. And remember, Bitcoin is following the S&P a little bit right now. And one of the reasons that we're seeing Bitcoin price dropping earlier is that, the U.S. dollar is actually increasing in value, and that's combined, compared to a basket of currencies. So it's definitely looking good for the U.S. dollar, and that's not good for crypto, because a strong dollar will often cause the Bitcoin price to go down. But, the fundamentals are looking good. Everything's looking good. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is trading at $45,763. Tickety tick tick. And, we can see right here that I drew this descending triangle, and we've been pretty much going sideways most of the day here in Asia. It's been kind of boring. The news has been kind of boring. Nothing really exciting is going on. There was a $60 million hack in the liquid exchange in Japan. We're going to jump into that. And keep in mind that the liquid exchange, Celsius, they're also a lot of their crypto, their Ethereum is held by Liquid Exchange. So if you're holding a Celsius wallet and you've got stuff on Celsius, just check with the supported Celsius. Make sure you're not being affected. I've got stuff on Celsius, so I kind of I wrote them. I'm waiting for some feedback. So if anyone from Celsius is watching this, guys, you need to let us know if our crypto is secure or not because of that hack on the liquid exchange out of Japan. And yeah, let us know because we're all a little bit of panicking. It's been a little bit of a nail biter. So once again, if you guys want to avoid exchanges getting hacked, the only thing you can do is move your crypto onto a hardware wallet. That's the safest way to go. So let's take a look. You can see that right now, this is from sentiment, that Bitcoin, gold, and S&P, we're seeing that there's been some mild drops Wednesday. BTC and gold correcting positively. But you guys can absolutely see that there's definitely some correlation. BTC price goes up, and you can see that the S&P, there's a definitely correlation there. Gold had a huge dump earlier in the month, but you can see that there's a correlation there, guys, so don't panic. And you can see that Bitcoin slides with S&P as Fed signals tapering 120 billion monthly bond purchases. So the benchmark cryptocurrency retreated alongside risk on markets as investors shifted their exposure to US dollars. So you can see down here that the US dollar is getting much stronger. So you can see here, on the other hand, US dollar index is benefited from declining riskier markets. The index was measures the greenback strength against basket of top foreign currencies and surged 0.39% to a 6-month high of 93.50 before correcting lower on the modest margins. So when the US dollar gets stronger compared to other currencies, it often take Bitcoin down. So we talked about the sentiment. That's fine. So Bitcoin's latest price decline also surfaced in line with a similar market bias on Wall Street. For instance, the benchmark S&P 500 index lost 47 points or 1.1%. And we can see that the Dow Jones also lost 1%. And we also saw that Bitcoin was down almost about 1% too, guys. 1.71%. So we're seeing that overall there's some linkage between the S&P and the Dow. So, the Dow and the S&P has been really not doing so well lately, and we really need that to come back up. But, when the Dow and the S&P goes down, yes, Bitcoin is going to take a hit, but overall the long trend is that Bitcoin is going up. So you need to zoom out. The trend is your friend. The trendy Wendy, check it out. Zoom out, guys, and see the trend. Bitcoin is definitely going up. I mean, it's not going up in a parabolic like it was before, but it's definitely going up. The fear and greed index is unchanged from yesterday. It was 73, and we've dropped down a little bit. But the overall sentiment in the market is still really good, guys. So don't panicky, and everything is just cool beans in the crypto space. I love to sing, guys. You guys know that. Some people don't appreciate my singing. Some people say, stop singing. Even my wife doesn't like me singing. She says, why are you singing? You sound so silly. Well, I want to be silly because I want to have fun. I want you to have fun. I want to put a smile on your face. Come on. If you're not smiling, smile right now because it's the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house, guys. And we're looking at the rainbow pie chart. We're still in this hodl phase. Hodl. So remember, hodl, don't panic. When we have these little itsy bitsy adjustments, you guys definitely don't want to be panicking. Do not panic, guys. And we're seeing right now that we're actually moving into full-blown altcoin season. We're at 80 right now, and the altcoin year index is getting closer and closer now. So you can see that, is this altcoin month? Yes, it is. Yeppy. And we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is not in the top 75 coins, and 75 coins are actually outperforming the biddy right now. So these are all the coins that are outperforming. So that really tells us that we're definitely in an altcoin season. So let's jump into Ethereum without delay. So Ethereum is trading right now at $3,050, $3,059, and all day Ethereum has just been going crazy and just keeps butting its head against this resistance here. It's like ding, 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 ding. I mean, if I got $1 every time it hit the $3,000 support level, not resistance, I'd be a billionaire because it's just been going sideways, which is really good. And you can feel the pressure, the stress. It's like a spring. It's coiling up, ready for an explosion. So I drew this little descending triangle here. So I really think that we're going to be having a breaking out soon. We're going to be breaking out to the upside. We've got a little bit, a light resistance at around about 31. 3,172, and then we got some huge resistance at 3,281. But then our big resistance at 3 is around 3,500, 3,400. So we definitely want to be getting past that. And I think that we can be, hitting 3,500 hopefully sometime next week. I was really hoping for a little bit more on the weekend, but you can see we're moving up. We can see there's a green candle just printed. It's gone up 1.19% since I've been talking, since I've been yibber-yabbering about Ethereum. So maybe I should keep yibber-yabbering because it tends to be taking up all of the cryptos now. So maybe the OG's having an impact. And the OG's having an impact right now, guys. So let's take a look at the burn. The burn is at 64,157. So Ethereum is burning away, guys. Burning. And Solana right now is at $71.34. It's come down a little bit from its all-time highs of $81.68. So it's just got also a little bit range bound. We should be going back into price discovery mode soon. So here it comes. Let's take a look at the Doge. So the Doge is doing exactly the same thing as Ethereum and Bitcoin, and it's starting to move up, and that's probably about 1%. Yeah, it's about 1%. Ethereum is 1.19%. Bitcoin is also moving up 1%. So it looks like the U.S. markets are turning green. Hopefully that when the markets open, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ will be going up, and that will take the crypto with it. So hopefully we can break past, the Doji can break out of this little triangle here and take us back up to our resistance level at 35. We got to see that 35 coming in. Come on, guys. Let's get it. Let's look at some on-chain right now for Doge. Let me give that a minty refresh. Come on, refresh. Come on, internet. So right now, yeah, we're seeing that we're moving on up. Well, I think we could probably close out 32 cents. Hopefully when we wake up in the morning in Asia, we can have 32 cents. Let's go, Yankee Doodle. Let's go, America. Take it up to the green line. Take it up to the end zone. Give me a touchdown. I want to see 32 cents coming in for Doge. So if you guys want to see 32 cents coming in for Doge, smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe as always. And hey, if you're watching the live stream, don't forget to give the OG super chat in the house. Show some support, show some love, because I'm working for you guys. I'm doing this for you. And right now we got 76% of all of the Dogecoin holders in profit, and 4% breaking even, 20% out of the money. I wouldn't worry about that too much, because what you got to do is you got to dollar cost average and wait for life-changing wealth, guys. Let's take a look at the Doge on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, we've actually started to just break past this descending triangle. So that's okie dokie wokey. So it looks like we're moving on up, and we're at 0.305. So it looks like we're moving on up on the 4-hour chart, guys. So if this continues, we could probably see ourselves, like I said, going up to around about 32 cents and closing out here. So hopefully when we wake up in the morning, we got the touchdown, a 32-cent touchdown, so that's going to be really good. So some other news for the Doge. Now we see investors adopting Dogecoin at levels never seen before since 2017 bull run. So we're seeing a lot of people are really getting excited. We're getting a lot of Twitter, social media hype pushing out the Doge. And as more and more things develop for Doge, people are getting more and more excited. We're seeing that the number of new investors has increased their share in Doge supply. In July 2020, from 9 to 25%. So this is really, really huge investors. We're seeing a lot of newbies, a lot of people jumping into the space, and those adopting the Shiba Inu dog are on the rise, guys. Doge is on the rise. Doge to $1. Doge to the moon, guys. So this just goes to show that the FOMO is going to start, and when that happens, we could be seeing Doge going way up, and hopefully we'll see all-time highs coming in December. And I'm hoping that the Christmas present that you want and I want is price discovery. So let's just have a quick roundup of what's been going on for the Doge this week. So we've had Bitstamp CEO rejects Dogecoin hype, and they don't want to have Dogecoin. Excuse me. They don't want to have Dogecoin on the Bitstamp platform. Well, too bad for you. Boo hoo hoo, because Robinhood, Binance, and a lot of other major exchanges, they're making boku dollars on the transaction fees. So Bitstamp, if you don't want to join the Doge community and show some love, get out of there. I'm taking all my money off Bitstamp because I love the Doge, and I don't like people dissing on my Doge. So all I got to say, the Bitstamp CEO, big thumbs down for you, Brodel, because you should be loving the Doge. So I don't care. You're out of there. Delete. Hit the delete button for Bitstamp. And we're also seeing that Doge finds a lot of momentum with industry acceptance. Doge rise to popularity continues as Dallas Maverick owners billionaire Mark Cuban expresses his support for the coin. And we all found out that Mark Cuban is only holding like under $500 worth of Doge. And he's doing that on purpose because he doesn't want to end up in trouble like the Elon, who's in trouble with Gary Gensler, the SEC chairman right now. And there's been some paperwork and some letters going back and forth. So, that's why you're seeing Elon's been pretty quiet on his tweets right now. So we also got this Doge for Tesla, which I talked about yesterday. And we got a company. We have a company that says, you look, out of Puerto Rico called Bots Inc. And you can go online and you can buy a pre-loved Tesla and pay with Doge. So that's really good. And then we got Doge Palooza bags, Diana Warwick. So we got this Doge Palooza thing that's going on, and they've got Diana Warwick to sing up there. Isn't Diana Warwick kind of old? I mean, I don't know what's going on with that. And then we got the Musk representative joins the advisory board with Vitalik. I think I talked about that earlier. So that's really what's been going on for the Doge. So we're seeing lots of things happening. Doge is not sleeping. Doge is on fire, guys. We love it. We love the Doge. Thumbs up. Smash the like, subscribe if you love the Doji Woji. And then the big news right now is breaking. Liquid Exchange is hacked for $80 million. It's basically a Japanese exchange, and it's been hacky-wacky. And the thing that's really scary is this right here. There's unconfirmed reports that the Ethereum wallet compromised held deposits from crypto yield provider Celsius Network. In April, Celsius announced that it had integrated with Liquid to offer the exchange's customer a compounding return on digital assets purchase. So that's a little bit scary, wary that if you're a Celsius holder, it's a little bit scary because maybe something's going on. So you need to check with Celsius, see what's going on, make sure that your Ethereum is safe and secure. That's what I'm doing. I'm getting my Ethereum off the Celsius platform until I get confirmation from Celsius that everything is okie doke. Because Celsius support tends to be a little bit slow to react. So that's just me. I'm not bashing them. I love Celsius. You get good APY. I'm not shilling either. But yeah, this is a little bit scary. So if you're a Celsius holder, just take care, beware. And guys, follow me on Twitter. Do it right now. I got 1,649, got 49 subscribers. That's pretty sad. Let's jump into market marks. Right now, the crypto market overview, the cryptocurrency market overview, market cap is now up 198 trillion. It's up. It was as low as 1.95 here in Asia, guys. So it's gone up a little bit. And my volumes are at 75.69 billion. And my Bitcoin dominance is getting lower and lower. Hopefully we can see 42% coming in. That'll be really good because as the Bitcoin dominance goes down, it means that the altcoins are going to start pumpity. And right now, Bitcoin is at $45,415, and that's almost even compared to where it was yesterday. And Ethereum is starting to come back too. It's at 3,050. We were below 3,000 today in Asia, so I was getting a little bit worried, a little bit panicky because I thought we were going to go down to 2,800. But we were able to come back, and we're now over our support level of 3,000. BNB's coming back at it's at 424, so that's pretty good, and that's up 555%. That's a nice number. And ADA is up 6.27%, guys, and that's at $2.12. Woo! And the Doge is going up. That's pretty good. It's up almost 4% right now, and that's at 30 cents, 0.305. That's looking good, and you're seeing that some of the other old coins are coming back up. Solana's taking a hit right now. I guess it's people are taking some profits after it's reaching its all-time high. So nothing to worry about, guys. It's okie dokie. Everything's okay. So with that being said, let's take a look at the Crypto Daily Trade Signals portfolio, and right now we are up plus 38%. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. You use or copy any part of this portfolio, you do so at your own risk, and we are not responsible. So yeah, our portfolio is still up $1,950, That's up almost 39%. And we're just $50 shy of 7,000, so it's coming back up again. So like I said, the markets will be coming back. They're going to be returning. I believe that we're going to have a Doge pump it up weekend, and Doge is going to pump. Woo, let's get it. And don't forget to check out my Linky Winkies. Go to Zen Music Addict. If you need to find your soul, you need to chilly willy, and get some sleep. Because the markets are driving you crazy, go to Zen Music. You know you want to support the channel with Patreons. Do it right now, guys. You know you want it. Buy the channel a coffee, and don't forget super chats and live share. Appreciate it. Check out the NFT collection. Do it now, and check out my merch. We got hats, we got shirts, we got hoodies, we got bags, we got all sorts of stuff. And check out my mug. The mug, it comes in a whole bunch of colors, guys. Check out the mug. It comes in blue. It comes in white. Check it out, guys. It comes in a lot of colors, even white. So check out the mug. You're gonna love it. So, guys, with that being said, I just want to say, stop feeding the whales. I love you guys to death. God bless each and every one of you. Go with God. Walk with God. Hug your family. Hug your kids. Be neighborly. God bless you all. See you in the next one. Woo!